Ora Maasai naa Leikiji. Neeku meeta apake ninche nkishu enkop ang' iltung'anak lenkop ang' lormaasai ilchambai. Ninche keeta ninche ketoni ake. Nirura mikiyiolo apake irruatin ajo keetae. Naa kidurrari naa apake inakata metaa meeta enitonie. Ore ake peeshaiki dikae nepuoi aikunari nejia. Nesotu nkera irkeek nikiya apik ene irkumok ninoki. Ore apa ninche yiok nkera oolaikipia mikiata nkilani. Irkilani loontare kinchop. Ibung' ake endapana enker nitobiri neenikini yiok. Onena tare mikiata apa yiok enkurma. Mikiata ai toki nikinya. Nena kule ang' ake kiwok osarge. Naamitiki naa ntoyie aamir. Neeku ore piidol taata ormurrani entito nelo naasai. Nikimurati, nikirikori, nereuni nkishu. Neeku etaa nkishu muhimu kuliko nyoo.
Ngai dona ada mpanga maita yele suguro yau. Ngai na ada mpanga. Jogi. Susan. Mpanga maita yele suguro. Iya ye koya. Koya kejo Twala mempas. Koya medungi suguro. Koya sele kara mati. Koya mirite Twala. We planted the aloe 2009. It was our third project. We planted here because in school I studied agriculture and we knew that to control soil erosion, you need to plant something. Here used to be very bare. Where we planted the aloe was very bare. Like you can stand here, you see the road. No plantation like now. When we conserve, the indigenous trees again grew, and then now you can see the soil cover. When you conserve the environment, it regenerates. So here I mix aloe secundiflora with water, and then I give the mixture to my chicks and chicken for protection of diseases. And we also take it as personally. We can mix with water and take for malaria and also for stomach. Yes. So this one I'm just going to give to the chicks and also to the chicken. Traditionally, the cow and the calf belong to men. And you cannot sell a goat or a cow without his permission. But I can get gas and just take my chicken and slaughter. I don't need to ask anyone permission. I can sell my honey, I can sell eggs, I can sell the kitchen garden products without asking any permission. Children are no longer depending on milk only. I can feed them from the kitchen garden things. Kitchen garden helps a lot because when you grow veggies, kales and spinach, children cannot suffer from malnutrition. We get milk and manure from them, but actually I like having other things that can generate income because livestock keeping is very good when there is pasture. But when it becomes a dry season, you will see it's very horrible.
Kwa mabadiliko ya anga, mimi ilinidhuru sana kwa sababu kulikuwa na kiangazi ya muda mrefu kama miaka 4 hivi. Na ilimaliza mifugo, miti zikapungua kabisa, na pia mvua ikapotea. na njaa ikakuwa mingi, na ndio tukakaa chini sasa tukakubaliana kufanya hii kazi ya kilimo. Tunalima na inatusaidia pia kwa afya zetu, kwa sababu hatununui dawa na nyuki kuja kupiga hii nini. Tunatumia tu chemicals hizi zetu za hapa, tunatengeneza dawa hapa na hizi za miti za kienyeji. Huwa inakuwa na mapato mengi, na tuendelee kutengeneza community yetu. Tusiwe watu wa kuomba chakula, tuwe na chakula chetu ndio tupate kuwalisha hata wana majirani pia.
Traditionally, a Maasai woman works a lot. She does all domestic work, collecting of firewood, fetching water, feeding children, milking cows, milking goats. It's a woman work to construct a traditional Maasai hut. Na ore pee kindip aatipik eng'ape kishomo nkeek naado anaa engroup oontomonok amu ekireto milopeny, kipotu entomononi nkulie naarik nikiponu niking'or enkaji. Niming'or sii openy amu ore itii enkeper keetai inaenita irkirinia onaapik inkeek mpaka meitasho enkaji aitobiraki. Ore pee kindip enkaji ang' naa ore ntomonok ormaasai naa iltung'anak ootamayiana Enkai oogol oleng' amu ekijo oshi iyiok tormareita iyiok naas esiai sapuk. Naa ore sababu sapuk nikipikie nkuruon ekijo pee menyoriri. Ore orkasi loonkuruon naa menyoriri, naa kepik abaki orkala sidai amu ninye kintaa osimiti aitushul onkulupuok midamu. Tenekenyu tenijo aing'uraa saai ade naaton entomononi ormaasai naa meetai. Ore ade saa nikijo iyiok kegira ayeng'iyeng'a enaaku akeyie keesisho naa tiatua enkang' waa keyierisho waa kelepisho, ina saa kijo iyiok eji kegira entomononi ormaasai ayeng'iyeng'a. Kake ore nkulie saai kumok until I got married, that's the time I questioned, like, why? Why do men just sit and let the women do all this work? Do they ever think that these women become tired? But I think they love animals more than women. Here we have a lot of challenges. Like here, before it was full of opuntia. If you saw the photo of the area before, you could not believe. Opuntia is not indigenous. People say it was brought by the colonial government, spreaded all over. It dominates the land. They take all the water. No more trees, no more grass like before. Animals try to eat. Their sharp thorns get into their eyes and their lips and make them blind. Very dangerous to the children also. That's the work we did as women. Get rid of it. We tried, and that's why you see the beautiful trees in Twala and the vegetation has changed. It also makes the entire community to change, like, wow, so trees can grow here and opuntia also can get finished. Na ore nduata ang' kitaasa mbaa kumok. Ore sii loji opuntia ninye ormatundai kigira ayieu nikiyiolou pee kintainye ninye juisi nikintibirie awaki ntokitin nijo whisky pee kimir naake pee kitum nchilingini anaa ntomonok. Kake ore amu ekira nkanisani nkumok ekipuo kanisa ekijo duo tenaa kintobir abaki juisi aitumia ina opuntia ninye ormatundai naa keeku eretoto teyiok. Neeku kiasita esiai sapuk anaa Nabulu Mukuri
anaa kuna tomonok kiasita esiai osuguroi ninye aloe ikintobir tosuguroi entoki naji lotion nikintobir sabunini shower gel
Gaya pos.
ashoto entoki metaa enking'asia.
Ataija na shukurunyo rukini. Tulianza kutengeneza sabuni I think 2020 lusha na? 2020. Baada ya kufanya hivyo tulipata market na tukauza hizo sabuni. Siku hizi hatuko wabaya, tuko na tutu pesa tu.
Saa hii mzee na mama hatuwezi pigana tukiwa mama ako na kazi ama kuna kitu anafanya na baba pia kuna kitu anafanya. Kwa sababu kwa hivyo ni vizuri kuwa ya kwamba wamama wako financially stable na wazee pia, na sasa mambo yote inaenda sawa.
If you empower a woman, you have empowered the whole society. That's what we say. As a Laikipia Permaculture Center, we have been doing a lot of trainings. We focus more on the women, so they learn with us, and then they go back home to replicate. So they started changing their attitude. Men started supporting the women projects, and also other development partners started to come. For example, Renesha started to bring in more projects on agroforestry. This has been really great because they are able to plant more aloe, which is a natural resource, at the community land for commercialization. This means that they are able to generate an income for the longest time. They are able also to do projects that can support the entire community and show that they can also be leaders themselves. The voice of women is now being heard.
When we started managing natural resources, doing things as women, selling beads, taking food home, that empowerment creates respect. And actually, when the man sees you supporting him, he will be involving you in decision making, which reduces violence. And also, you cannot just educate children on an empty hand. You need to have money so that when they become a grown-up, complete school, they can come back to the community and work with them. I'm sure we'll get very responsible girls and boys in the future.
Itabadilika, kisasi hicho itabadilika kwa sababu wataiga mfano hawa kina mama ambaye maisha yao imebadilika.
Ore duo nemera kajoki subati kake ewaita yero ruata kulingana pe nikitii mpake nikietuo taata kitodua enkibelekenyata sapuk oleng anaa ntomono nekiyieu duake naake dua yiok ntoi ang kake ore enkomono ang peemitoki ntoi ang aakur indiki anaa yiok amu kiasita yie esiai sapuk ias enino paka nyaaki todua ajo iyata extra work ambaye lemera olino iasita esiai nemera enino.
When I go speak, someone cannot see me as Rosemary. You see 203 women, the entire Twala. We call it in Maasai, Oltondo Bolon Tomonok. It means one voice, so it means a lot to me. Women power, yes.